Here are 2 easy beginner macrame knots to get you started as a macrame artist. The first knot we will learn is your half knot. You are going to start by taking your outer cords. You're going to take the right one, cross it over the center 2. Your left one is going to go over the top, around the center 2, and through the loop, and then pull. That is a half knot. This knot is typically just not done by itself. We will continue it by creating a half knot sennit or a spiral knot. And we are always going to work the same cord that we were using. So by creating a spiral, continue working your right cord over your center 2 filler cords. Your left cord goes over top, around the center 2, through the loop, and pull. You now have your second half knot. You will continue this to create that really pretty spiral. Right, left goes over, around, through the loop, and pull. And you will repeat this for the desired length that you want. Once you get around 5 or 6 or so, you can just twist it so that way it is facing you, and continue again the same cord. You do want to make sure that you are pulling with the same tension. It will keep a nice consistency, a nice knot going all the way around. And here is your beautiful half knot sennit or spiral knot. And now how to make a square knot. We are going to make a right facing square knot. These will be your outer cords. These are your working cords. These are your center cords and your filler cords. You're going to start and make a half knot. Your right cord's going to go over the 2 center cords. Your left cord will go over, around, and through this loop, and pull it. That is your half knot. To finish, to make your square knot, you will then go on the opposite side. Your left cord goes over the center 2 filler cords. Your right cord is going to go over and around the center cords, through that loop, and you will tighten it. This will be your right facing square knot. This is your 1 square knot. To continue, you will repeat the same 2 steps. Right cord goes over, left cord over, around, through, pull. That is your half knot. To finish for a square knot, repeat with the opposite side of the cords. Around, through that loop, and pull. To know that you finished your knot, you will see that it will always finish right here on the right side. So that is 1 square knot, and that is 2 square knots. And you will repeat that for however many square knots you need. By making multiple square knots in a row, it is called a sennit knot of square knots. So if you ever see a sennit knot, that is what that means. It wants you to do multiple square knots or however many knots what you're working with. So that is 4. 5. And here is your sennit square knot. It is super simple once you get the hang of it. It's just repeating the same steps over and over again. And here are your two beautiful knots. This is your square knot and the half knot. This is the square knot sinnet. This is by repeating a series of the same knots. This is what the look will look like. And this knot is also known as a spiral knot, a half knot sinnet, or also a twisting half knot. It has so many names, but this is what your looks will come out to be. They are easy and they are the perfect knot to start with if you are a beginner macrame artist. Enjoy!